So guys, here we have these products just arrived on NV Shoppe. This is a Maggi. You see, there's a full pack here. There's a big one, 70 gram, and we have this is my friend's one. This also a biscuit, man. Oh, this is nice. CNC biscuit. This is a big one. Then we have this Phylla, super wash clean. See, whatever we need is the same only from the market. Then we have the dhania powder. It is a good one. Is a big packet. And then we have the soap, neem soap. This is a good soap. And then we have the rin. We have rin around so many. See, 2010 rupees package. This one 2000. Then and then we have Vim. So this is also Vim. So many packets. And then this one, what do you call? This is hair oil. Is good. Is good one. Let's see the smell. Nice smell. No problem. It's a good smell. Then we have this one, tata leaf. Oh man, this is. We'll take tea with this one. Extra strong leaves. See, it's good. Quality is good. And then we have tulsi drop. This one is for antioxidant. We also have a simple Colgate toothbrush, and this one a big one, extra 15%. And we have another good toothbrush, flexi. Very simple, whatever we use. And we have the mirch powder. This one lal mirch. Someone can sumrit gani the sabon gani sabon gani. The pearl is good. The dhania powder. This one is haldi powder. Oh, good enough. 2000. It's good enough. So many. And we have the last one is this gani. Ini kadai kanja stay free jong khana. Akan nit barem de tang kan niru news pak naik te gani. Kebabiang the quality day. So parcel says so many parcels there. So guys, thank you so much. This is NV Shoppe package. Let's see. This is my friends. This one from Nonstoin. He is from Nonstoin. We have got a good leader from there. Very good. So thank you, friends. We have got so many parcels here also coming for a friend. We have here. So thank you, friends.